and na me ka some adia fa Andre Dede Ayew Remy Morgan obusapanyi na Andre the most capped player of the Black Stars.
87.9
Ghana mine ba nyina open players o mabo games do party ama Black Stars na. Dia wabodo do Andre Dede Ayew Remy Morgan.
Wow.
120 games and Andre abo ediama the Black Stars of Ghana. Abulapanyi ni person ye nyine to twene kwasa. I am not here to preach say Andre Ayew at the age of 34 you go so build the Black Stars around him. That is not my point. Okay. My point is say Osuma Andre Ayew ade asom Ghana man. Ne performance what done di enye obi a na return obi ho a obebo 3 games pe bi na ne form te ko ya amfre ni biem say ni pakro no onye player yet wa na ye dwene ho kwa be fa so be return from national team. But for Andre Ayew, he's been a consistent member of the Black Stars. While Rise Baba captain Black Stars, no? And as we speak, he remains the captain of the Black Stars. Even though the coach, our team news this year, Akacha Andre say, going forward, no, on your part of the plans. Andre Ayew, can I say, the first and only time a Ghana here did the under 20 World Cup, no? He was the captain. He lifted the under 20 World Cup in 2009 with Egypt. Andre Dede Ayew Remy Morgan. Abe captain Black Stars of Ghana. Andre Ayew on the 7th of August 2007. And we had the first call up at the Black Stars.
Wow.
Coach Clolera at that time. Near Babe bought AFCON 2008. And he had to do the host and win. On the 7th of August 2007. And Andre Ayew in a friendly match with Senegal. And he had the first call up. On the 11th of January 2008, Ghana enemy AFCON squad, the coach at the Clolera, enemy squad for the AFCON. Now Andre Ayew are a part of the AFCON squad. So in the first ever tournament, senior tournament, AFCON 2008, who's to Ghana. I'm saying Andre Ayew, I 2009 AFCON World Cup and a 20 the buy. Yeah, 2010 AFCON. Remember, saying a lot of injuries in our squad. And that AFCON, open so summon up a goalkeeper Richard Olele Kingston. Na wakofa Abranja did the Kodja Samoa. Andre Ayew Asamoah Jan. Ya J-Ball na one goal project led by Milovan Rivak. Near Boysim, near Kweshego, and Yerikosia Egypt. Ghana forced to be a born near Boninye. SC Bobo against Egypt, Ghana versus Egypt. We played our best game of the tournament and we lost our first game of the tournament. That 1-0 now. I think it was the substitute Ahmed Gedo and a free bencher or the Sabon Ebe Tottenham. In terms of penny, Andre Ayew has been around the Black Stars for a very long time. Me see 2007. Yeah. And when you had the first call up, August 7th, 2007. It's check 2007. Now it's a 2017.
17 years.
He has been around the Black Stars for 17 years. So player no question we will say. What's about captain's armband no? You no quite sakwa. Na me kai say Black Stars 2 games here. Only of the importance and say obonya sa ya betwe so. And I'm arguing about so say a proactive GFA. A proactive Ministry of Youth and Sport. They don't go beyond GFA no because say ministry ni person share players ah nipa odi adimu aya branch Dede Andre Ayew ne be kwa share those days. Ghana so a minister of state it doesn't matter the cry here untimi call for presidential motorcade say medi wadim. When Ghana returned from AFCON 2015 where we failed to win gold. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say oh yeah a dinner at the Black Stars players near Jeep Grand Cherokee at the players no. Now it's a presidential motorcade ekofa Black Stars captain then as a moja de that is the level of a Black Stars captain.
87.9 Kumasi.
Enti Andre Ayew no say Drew bra ya dwe say ampa Andre no at the age of 34 ontimi mo Black Stars ni bi ma dwe am say ese enti Black Stars man nyo komiti ye bi am buta say yo mo ye dan ya omo just $100,000 na omo si entua e kanti si you qualify for tournament na si GBA e kama dwem so mo dwumanie you engage the coach, you engage the player, you engage the ministry, you engage the executive council of the FA obiaba on board ni akase Ghana nyame adoma on the 11th of November yi ye kwa 11th November stadium
87.9
awo Luanda in Angola ama Angola akohye ye nyina ye kwa akoji ehye aba ye nim so mbehye but nyame adoma ne 4-5 days time no ye betra Transport Stadium ni abonije na sa match ne de yemfa hye Dede Ayew animonyam yenya a presentation by now why a plaque fefefe eso say ebesi ne oye the most capped player wabo games to do parliament Ghana no Dede Ayew Remy Morgan wow enti yenya bibi sa yemfa Black Stars jersey be crowd the current crop of players obi an sign the signature wom coach ne sign the signature wom yankopa legends of the Black Stars womu nyina na yemfa Dede Ayew Ghana ene Niger yi eti dano kra yemsa the captains Amba Nabodensa because born it is of no material importance. I am telling you, sir, even if Sudan should lose the next 2 games, Ghana will not win the next 6 points to qualify. I am telling you, I'm confident about that because Angola for Palancas Negras rebeshe o just omu desire so munche no mabo draw omnya ho about draw ya qualify yenye bi entabuso panyi enso be proactive me say nya fasa asamojan ya return ya nya hwiama no unim Tony Cruz say
87.9
ade ne wurem fida dana obo the final game of Santiago Bernabeu na ohun panyifo a oto na ni hwe VIP o presidential box no mo ebi mo 80 years ebi mo 70 years ahwe all the other stands na nkrofo tiniso no Tony Cruz nti enkofo tiniso ne ye boy ensem man saa osesa memory ni wurem fida it is the reason this is omotim bia biem sadi ko na si ye no ose no nturo decide okọ Euros nya na nkofo ne kasa se ana onko Qatar ana onko US but ohwe saade no nya wo Santiago Bernabeu na ebusapanyi enya fesa samojan a oye yen highest scorer yen top scorer all time top scorer ya mo game amfa enja no kwan Dede Ayew ye most capped player ebesi na obi anwene ho se ebebo game ade Dede Ayew kwan adenja enya fe sa match we ni Niger bebo yi esenka ya hyase ni e kananka ye Dede Ayew festival na ye beye na enya no kwan fefefe unless somebody has evidence to tell us that Dede Ayew on retire. I've told you the conversation that Coach Otuado a driver call any Dede ekudi sankomo no at that time Dede ka say on short at the time so free Black Stars because okay no afa form I will have yeah okose 5 goals in the 9 or 8 games bi okobo ye na time what if ya ngazi am frɛ no sa time ne frɛ no onya team ye perform na fe am frɛ no masam ne say Dede Ayew no wa ye bi dia maman no se de be enchirima emma mehu se man we ade maman na ye ni nso ye nya hwe no match we aka some few days we can still do it. I expect the GFA, the ministry obi amfa no nyima mumfa Dede nka che no say opani game we dey ye pese dey ball as testimonial game dey ja kwan wo Black Stars nim beje o captain armband no beje number 10 jersey na hye ne ye mo because ade no mfa so obi ani ba kira ye gobo no so ne ye bo wi a Ghana fo nyina mo nsem ma o Ghana fo nyina hohoa so wa ye bi dia mama yi I think that panya dey be to makoma so ene ahomachi mani tia na ba mtiri say so much bi no e be boy still ye retire Dede freelancer team ni yense na nimunyam no ni yede bi ya Samojan ukwachi a the problem kwasi apia captain ye captain free nsem kwan fa so a John Mensah free Black Stars even the likes of Stephen Apiamo ya nche da nye bibi hu bi afa mo. For me we can always right our wrongs and we can start with the day you say so much e be boy ni Niger eboy ye mo emfa branch ne munyam ye nye bibi ma no ye mpe plaque bi ye mfa Black Star jersey na ye ne minya so se GFA ko akosa bia from 2007 jersey dodo ya hye nyina mo bia na nkediri nyina bia hye hyade ne ye ja branch yi kwan ebuso panyin ka efe pa